Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Which of the following is a new eligibility requirement added under the One Big Beautiful Act under President Trump? Is it the child must be under age 19? I hope you know they have to be under the age of 17, so that's not a new rule. Both the child and at least one parent must have a valid social security number. Yes, this is what was added for the child tax credit. The child must be a full-time student? No, they don't. That's not for the child tax credit, that's for the dependent. They have to be a full-time student, but that's not new eligibility. Both parents must file jointly? No. Married filing separately is allowed. Now be careful, married filing separately is not allowed for the earned income credit. Just FYI, we're going to see it down the road. Now if you're answering this question on Farhat Lectures, you could always ask the AI to explain the topic for you, the eligibility under the One Big Beautiful Bill, explain the correct and incorrect answer further, and if you're interested and you want to practice this concept further, ask AI to create another MCQ about this lecture to help you reinforce what you just learned. What should you do? Whether you are a student, CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional MCQs, AI tools, lessons, podcasts, exercises that will help you. Invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.